Video, I will show you how you can import data into RStudio and export it out of RStudio. So let's start with import. So under environment, you have import data set. There are 3 different sets of data types. From text-based like CSV data, you can use ReadR, probably it's the best, most flexible. You can import Excel file or from statistical packages like SPSS, SAS, and Stata. So let's import an Excel file. So you browse to the location where your file is. And I'm going to go to actually under my documents, analytics, and I'm going to go use this particular one, large credit. Okay, so under here you will see the different, if you have multiple tabs, you'll be able to change the tabs to the appropriate one. And you can also look at the code. All right, so the code is actually read Excel, and you can go ahead change how you want the data frame to be named. I'm just gonna name it credit, okay, to make it a little bit easier for working with that. Okay, so I'm gonna import. So what I will need to do is just bring up this again and change this to view credit. Okay, no big deal. So now I can see my data right here. All right, so I can go ahead directly show you how to export data. Just pretend you did a bunch of things to your credit data frame, and now you're ready to put credit, export it back. Okay, so the best way to do it is using write.csv command. The first part is define your data frame. I'm going to write my credit into a file, okay? And I don't want to have to, remember the path. So I'm just going to copy this whole path, okay? I'm going to say Control C and come here, Control V, and I'm going to put an actual name. I'm going to call it credit final. Let's pretend this is my final file, and it's going to be matching my command, which is write.csv. So I had to make sure is final .csv, okay, and close the double quotation marks. So this will basically write into my directory called documents, subdirectory analytics, and CIS 370. And this will be my new file name. Okay, so let me press enter. You won't see anything here, but if I go to my Finder, so what I'm going to is under my documents, and it's under analytics. Where's my analytics? Right here, and CIS 370. And you can see here I have a new CSV file called credit final that was just created today, right? So if I open this with Excel, so you can open CSV file using Excel, and there it is. That's how you can import data into RStudio, and after manipulation, you can export it out.